Yeah.
About cabbage.
Yeah. Look at the pattern.
Pattern. There?
Yeah.
Okay,
Use this one. Lagay dito. Yan. Lagay mo dito. Yan. Yan. Go. Go. Tie. Tie it. Go. Tie it properly.
This is after lies. Lies.
This one.
Tie?
This one, oh. Look at me. Yan. Go. Ikaw. Next.
Pig says, pig says, oink, oink. Cow says.
Here. Go. Put it here. Go.
On your tummy, on your tummy. Tummy here. Tummy here. Oh, wait, properly. Tummy here. Properly. Stand up. Let's put letter H. Tummy here.
Next. What's next? Hala. How about this one? Go. Try.
Letter H na.
Oh. See? Next. Next one. Here na.
Next, the horse says neigh.
Here. Go here.
Says
Go. Put it here.
Get the horse.
And then, go. And then, put it here. Like this, oh. Look at teacher.
Go up.
Yan. Go.
Tara, oh.
Sige na, go. Go. Next. Transfer. Good job. Good job, kuya. Good job na si kuya. Careful lang langga.
Pig says oink, oink. Okay, let's go get the
Properly. This one pa. Kani. Putang sa dire. Go.
Oink, oink.
Get the pig. Pig. Get the pig. Okay.
Find the letter
Next.
H.
Next na. Go. Hindi dyan. I-cross. Dito ka mag-cross. Go na. Go, please.
Do not touch it. Balance ha. Read them. Careful. Balance it.
Go. Next.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Go langga. Go, Rush. Next.
Ito, tata, dito.
It's not funny to laugh at someone who falls
No.
down.
Go, Rush.
It's not funny when someone falls.
Oh, good job. Oh, yeah. Good. Next, go. Get another one.
Chicken says chick chick chick. Chicken says chick chick chick. Go get the chicken.
Nanay ko yan, te, oh.
Oh, go. Properly. Next. Insert here. Go. Go langga.
The and there and put it here.
Yeah.
Next.
The next letter.
Joke.
Good job, Rush. Go.
Okay. Put it now. Come on.
Matataji mall.
Hala. Look at your Go properly.
The next letter.
Good job. Next.
C is for.
Here.
E is for
Go.
elephant. Okay, let's go.